Hello, I am Rahul, and today we are going to discuss the chapter Glimpses of India Part 1, Baker from Goa Shamri of First Flight Class 10th. After the discussion of Shamri, we will also discuss one two important questions from the exam point of view. Guys, Goa, this is the tourist place, and many years ago there was the rule of Portugal on Goa. It was in the hand of Portugal, and only because of that there was the fame of loaf, cake and all these things in Goa. And still the writer here wants to show that still in Goa how these things are popular and how those loaf sellers, cake sellers, they are working and they are selling these materials. So the lesson begins with the narrator. Elders often recall the time when Goa was under the rule of the Portuguese. I have already told you that there was the rule of Portugal, Portuguese were the rulers, and they talk how importance of baker is still maintained in the villages. The importance, the popularity, the fame of all those bakers is still maintained in the villages. मतलब आज भी उनका जो एक जरूरत है, नीड है, आवश्यकता है, वो आज भी देखने को मिलता है गोवा के गांव में. एंड they are known as padders in Goa. Goa में they are called as padders, and the mixers, molders and the time tested furnaces continue to serve the people of Goa. और आज भी फर्नेस जला करके और चीजों को कर करके वो लोग they are serving to the people who are staying in Goa, and still they are working and doing their job. It is possible that the original ones may not exist, but their profession is being continued by their sons. Sons are following that and all these things. They move with a third of bamboo stick that produce the sound jhang 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 jhang. They hit it on the ground, they hit it on the wall, and they produce the sound to show what, or to draw the attention of the public by producing that sound. So that jingling sound which comes from the bakers, and they would wake the people, they would wake the public of that villages to sell these things. And even the narrator and his friends during their childhood days, they would go running to such type of seller, padders, without brushing or washing their mouth properly. And it was the maid servant of the house who collected the loaves. But they used to go there. Bakery products have importance in the culture and traditions of Goa. And those small children, they used to run, they used to go, they used to move to those padders, to those bakery item seller, to those bakers. You know why? To get sweet bread. उनके पास मीठे ब्रेड भी हुआ करते थे, तो वो उस चीजों को लेने के लिए, या दे यूज टू जस्ट वॉच इन द बास्केट ऑफ द बेकर्स. वो पिपिंग करते थे. दे यूज टू पिप इन देयर इन द बास्केट. And bakery products have importance in the culture and tradition of Goa. Bowl or sweet bread is a part of marriage gifts. Yeah, this bakery products, which is also called as bowl, and this is also a part of marriage gifts, cakes, bolinas or coconut cookies. They are still eaten in every festival of गोवा. गोवा में आज भी हर एक फेस्टिवल में इन चीजों का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंस है. एंड द लेडी ऑफ द हाउस प्रिपेयर सैंडविचेस एट हर डॉटर्स एंगेजमेंट. जो घर की महिलाएं होती हैं वो वहां पे उनकी शादियों में या उनके जो एंगेजमेंट होते हैं वो उस तरीके की सैंडविचेस एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स दे प्रिपेयर. एंड दोज बेकर्स दे wear the unique frock that is to the knee length, which is called as kabai, जिसको कबई कहा जाता है. That looks like the frog, yeah, and the length is up to the knee. So this kabai dress of bakers, ये जो बेकर पहनते हैं, this is called as kabai. एंड नरेटर चाइल्डहुड डेज की जो यादें हैं, जो रिमेम्बरेंसेस हैं, स्टिल ही रिमेम्बर्स एंड स्टिल ही all those memories they come in the mind of narrator. They wore a shirt and trouser of length slightly shorter than the usual one, third half we can say. They generally collected their bills at the end of every month. Bakers पूरे महीने बेकरी आइटम्स लोगों को देते हैं, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ दे यूज टू कलेक्ट द बिल्स. बेकरी हैज कंटिन्यूड टू बी अ प्रॉफिटेबल प्रोफेशन, मैनेजिंग टू कीप देयर फैमिली जॉयस एंड प्रॉस्परस. और बेकरी आज भी गोवा में उतनी ही इंपॉर्टेंस है, उतनी ही जरूरत वाली एक प्रोफेशन है. And all those bakers, they are getting many more things. They are even able to keep their family joyous and prosperous. Thank you. It is the chapter 7 summary, part 1, a baker from Goa. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it to get the latest update of the videos. If you have any problem with this summary, if you have any comment, you can put that in the comment box. Now we are going to discuss 1-2 important questions from the exam point of view. So guys, first question I want to discuss, that is where the monthly accounts of the baker recorded. baker अपना monthly record कहाँ लिखा करते थे? तो द मंथली अकाउंट ऑफ द बेकर वेयर रिकॉर्डेड ऑन सम वॉल विथ अ पेंसिल. वो एक वॉल पे पेंसिल से रिकॉर्ड किया करते थे. व्हाट डज द जैक फ्रूट लाइक अपीयरेंस मीन? यहाँ पे चैप्टर में जैक फ्रूट लाइक अपीयरेंस भी लिखा गया है, तो व्हाट डज इट मीन? सो जैक फ्रूट लाइक अपीयरेंस मीन्स अ वेल बिल्ट और प्लम्प फिजिक. प्लम्प फिजिक मीन्स मोटे, हेल्दी, सिमिलर टू अ जैक फ्रूट. And in those days, bakers had plump physique because baking was a profitable profession. So, bakers क्या पहनते थे पोर्तुगीज डेज में? तो bakers they used to wear a unique knee-length frock dress, and that dress typically known as kabai. Another important question from the exam point of view I want to discuss, is bread an important part of Goa life? How do you know this? So the answer is bread is an important part of Goa culture, and it is evident from its presence at every important occasion. That we have discussed that in marriage, in engagement, in each and every festival there is the need of bread and loaf. From sweet breads at marriages to sandwiches at engagement parties and cakes and bolinas at Christmas as well as other occasions, makes the presence of a baker in every village very essential. So thank you very much. I will upload another video for you.